morning and welcome to What's Up Tanuka. Welcome to a new video. So today I'm once again in Lal Bagh to watch the flower show. Now this flower show happens twice a year, once in the Republic Day weekend and then another one in the 15th August week. So I was not able to visit here during the Republic Day week, so I'm here finally. I've heard about this flower show quite a lot, so I was very excited to check this out and see what the hype is all about. Now I've also heard that they have actually 27 lakh flowers inside in this show, so I'm very excited to check that out. And the theme of this flower show is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, or Baba Sahib as they call him, he headed the formation of our Indian Constitution. So that is the theme for this year, rather this particular show of 15th August. So it is open from 7 a.m. in the morning to 7 p.m. in the evening, and the ticket prices are 100 rupees per person. So yes, now let's go in. So guys, I am at Lal Bagh West Gate. I initially went to the South Gate, but there was no parking there, so I came to the West Gate here. And so they have underwater fish tunnel exhibition, and this is the entrance right here. So I'm going to enter now. I just have to book my tickets, so the tickets are going to be booked from here. You can also book it online. Okay guys, small correction, you actually only have an option to book online. You can scan the QR given right there. You have a QR right there, so you have to scan from there and then book the tickets online. Okay guys, so this is where I'm entering from. Oh, here actually I see you have offline booking as well. So if you want to come and book the tickets and not book it online, you can do it from the stalls here. Guys, right as you enter from there, you have these lovely flowers here and a fountain right there. So you do not even have to go far to see these beautiful flowers. It's really beautiful. Okay guys, so just entering the area, the Lal Bagh area, and let me tell you, I'm not going to focus on Lal Bagh today. There's already a video on my channel, as I said. Please go and check that out right now. And yes, let me walk and see where we can go. I know that we have to walk a little bit because the glass house where the main exhibition is near to the north gate, and as I said, we entered from the west gate, so there's a little bit of walking involved. Okay, so you have some food here, some drinks. Now these drinks I tried when I came earlier, and these were not really that good. Guys, a rare sight, the monkey eating an ice cream. Why does it remind me of some of my friends? Oh wow. Just walking beside this Lal Bagh lake. Oh, such pretty flowers. The pink flowers that we saw, this seems like another variant of that flower, the white ones. And we have, oh wow, look at these red flower, guys. looks so vibrant. Truly a flower show right here in Lal Bagh. Again, you have some food. They are not going to let you be hungry at all. There are food stalls at every nook and corner here, I see. Guys, so by all the banners outside that I showed you guys, you already know that the theme of this year's flower show, I mean not this year's, because this happens twice a year. So once in the 26th Jan period, 26th Jan week, the Republic Day week, and then again in the 15th August Independence Day week. So this week the theme is B.R. Ambedkar, so everything revolving around his life and his works. That is the theme of this show here. So we are slowly moving towards that zone. So guys, it is always at the Glass House that the exhibition is held, and because this is a very special event, this happens only twice a year, so there is a lot of crowd. Also, it's a weekend, so this is definitely a place to come to and witness this magical flower show, flower exhibition, whatever you call it. It's starting to rain. I hope it does not rain too much, but yeah, slowly moving there. Okay guys, so it says way to Glass House right there, and as we just go straight, we will reach the Glass House where the exhibition is held. And also you can see we have a lot of pretty flowers here as well. But yeah, let's move on. Okay, so guys, this is the famous Glass House of Lal Bagh, and we are just going to enter. Guys, just look at the crowd. Oh my god, I don't know. I might have to stand in line for at least 1.5 to 2 hours, I feel. Oh, है तो पूजा मंडप line. Going to the back of the line now. Guys, coming in queue now and almost entering. Thing. So guys, if you notice, they have also mentioned the scientific name just below the actual name of the flowers, which I think is great. Different kinds of roses here. can see, let me zoom in. So these are all different kinds of roses that this lovely building is decorated with. Completely made of thread work. So if you can see everything here, it's so detailed. And this is Mandala. This is also thread work. I thought this is Mandala, but if I look closely, this is also thread work, guys. To Buddha Guru. Guys, look at these flowers right here. They are looking so beautiful. And this is HAL first prize. This decor right here, guys, this is made completely of flowers, the Indian flag, and here as well we have different kind of flowers. Here now I'm going to check out the saplings and the little seeds and all that they are selling here, so I'm definitely going to check that out now. So let's go out of this crowd. There are a lot of people waiting, so yeah, let's go out. So guys, I was telling you about the sapling stores. So here in a line you see everything. So line say you have different stalls. Came out of the flower show and having an ice cream. So yes, just came out of the flower show and it was really good. Now if you're okay with crowd, please come here because there's a lot of crowd, especially because I came on a weekend, so that was kind of expected, but yeah, there were so many people, but yes, it was definitely worth it because it was so lovely. I got to see so many different kinds of flowers under one roof, and it was decorated really beautifully, and yes, that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Once again, if you have not checked out my Lal Bagh video, please go and check that out on my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Please let me know in the comments what more you want to see on this channel, and yes, see you on the next one. Bye.